How to log into YouTube Kids account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into YouTube Kids account. For this, you want to open the YouTube Kids app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you open this application, tap on the Get Started option. Remember that you need a parent's account in order to log into your YouTube Kids account. Now tap on this arrow option. Here you want to sign in with your parents' account. So select your Google account, then tap on the sign in option. Now tap on the done option. If you had already signed up, you will have your existing children's profile here. Simply tap on the existing profile or tap on the plus icon to create a new profile. To create a new profile, you will require your password. Simply enter that and create a new profile for your kid. Then you want to tap on that existing profile. Once you tap on it, you will be able to access the YouTube Kids, and in this way you can log into YouTube Kids account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.